Bitcoin open interest reached a record $19.8 billion on October the 15th. MicroStrategy stock has hit an all-time high, with its market cap reaching $43 billion. Bitcoin surged 5% after a major announcement from China. Tesla just moved its entire Bitcoin stash, 11,500 Bitcoin worth $765 million, to unknown wallets. Welcome to Edge 21's weekly Bitcoin news recap, your go-to source for the top 5 Bitcoin stories of the week. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Edge 21 channel for all things Bitcoin. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, Bitcoin open interest reached a record $19.8 billion on October the 15th, signaling a strong bullish sentiment among investors. As reported by Cryptopolitan, certified analyst EdgyHashX shared data from CryptoQuant showing a growing influx of liquidity into the market. Most of the open interest is in long positions, with funding rates hitting their highest level since August. Despite concerns about volatility from high leverage, the dominance of institutional investors and cash margin contracts, led by CME, suggests the market is still in strong hands. Bitcoin's price recently surged to $67,000, showing that demand remains solid. Moving on to number 4. MicroStrategy stock has hit an all-time high, with its market cap reaching $43 billion, as covered by Coinpedia. The company's bold Bitcoin strategy, holding over 252,000 Bitcoin, has paid off, with the stock soaring 16% in just 1 week. According to Marcus Thielen from 10x Research, traders are betting on this momentum to potentially drive Bitcoin prices higher, calling it a tail wags the dog scenario. Executive Chairman Michael Saylor remains confident, planning to invest even more in Bitcoin, which may indicate an upcoming rally. Watch for important developments over the next 8 weeks that could shake the market. Next up at number 3. Bitcoin surged 5% after a major announcement from China, as reported by the Bitcoin Layer. The Chinese government is set to raise an additional $1 trillion over the next 3 years through treasury bond issuance aimed at boosting its slowing economy. Host Nick Bhatia explains that this stimulus is effectively like printing money, and an increase in liquidity has historically driven financial markets, including Bitcoin. With Bitcoin now hovering around $66,000, Bhatia noted that this liquidity boost could push Bitcoin back toward its all-time highs. Keep an eye on China's moves, as they could set the stage for a continued Bitcoin rally. At number 2, Lyn Alden is predicting a massive Bitcoin bull run by the end of 2024, with a possible surge to $100,000. In her interview with Savvy Finance, Alden highlighted the increasing institutional interest and the looming introduction of Bitcoin ETFs as key factors driving this potential rally. She emphasized that ETFs are inevitable and will play a pivotal role in bringing Bitcoin into mainstream financial systems like retirement accounts. Alden believes Bitcoin's role as a store of value is becoming more dominant, with its scarcity and development making it an increasingly valuable asset in the global financial ecosystem. And finally, at number 1, Tesla just moved its entire Bitcoin stash, 11,500 Bitcoin worth $765 million, to unknown wallets. As reported by Braden Lindrea of Cointelegraph, this is Tesla's first major Bitcoin transfer since 2022, according to Arkham Intelligence. While the reasons for this move are unclear, there's no indication that Tesla has sold its Bitcoin or moved it to exchanges. Tesla remains the 4th largest Bitcoin holder among publicly traded companies, trailing only MicroStrategy and major Bitcoin miners. With Tesla's 3rd quarter financial results coming up, more details may be revealed soon. Despite the transfer, Bitcoin's price remains stable at around $66,000. Well, that's a wrap on this week's top 5 Bitcoin news stories. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Edge 21 for your weekly dose of trending Bitcoin news. And don't miss out on the launch of our new app, where you can stay on top of all things Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and hodl on.